Hi guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about the Axie Infinity SLP and how to get it. Before moving further, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and enable all notifications so you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. When playing Axie Infinity, farming Smooth Love Potions, or SLP, is the simplest and quickest way to acquire them. It is one of the game's most essential materials. Player may use them to breed more Axies or sell them for real money to other players on the market. We'll show you how to get Smooth Love Potions in a variety of ways in this video, including how to acquire the most SLPs per day. So, Smooth Love Potions can be obtained in Axie Infinity in 3 ways. First option, finish the daily quest. The daily quest is divided into 3 parts. Fill out the daily check-in form by logging into the game. Complete all 10 levels in Adventure Mode, this can be the same level each time, and play and win 5 arena matches. After completing the 3 daily missions, you will get a reward of 25 SLP. Second option, battle monsters in Adventure Mode. You may earn a maximum of 50 SLP each day in Adventure Mode. Before Season 18, which began on August 10, 2021, the maximum daily SLP was 100. In Axie Infinity, Adventure is a single-player game in which your squad fights enemies. It has 36 stages of increasing difficulty, with more SLP awarded as you progress through them. Here, take a look at this schedule. In Adventure Mode, there are also 2 boss battles that offer you one-time SLP rewards. Level 21, which stand for 200 SLP, and Level 36, which stand for 300 SLP. In Adventure Mode, you don't need any energy to earn SLP. It is solely needed for the purpose of gaining EXP. If you run out of energy, Adventure Mode is your only option for grinding SLP. Finally, compared to the Arena Mode, Adventure doesn't take as much thought, thus it's a perfect pastime if you want to mindlessly farm SLP but can't devote 100% of your time and attention to it. Last third option, battle players in Arena Mode. In Arena, you'll face off against the Axies of other players in a player versus player fight. Arena Mode is the best source of SLP since it rewards you with the most SLP per minute spent. In Arena Mode, you'll need the energy to gain SLP. You won't be able to earn SLP in Arena if you don't have any energy. Each arena battle consumes 1 energy point, which you may squander if you lose the match. Your matchmaking rating, or MMR, determines how much SLP you receive from winning an arena match. The more SLP you get, the better your rating. How can you boost your energy level? All players in Axie Infinity have an energy resource which can be seen in the main menu. Players start with 20 out of 20 energy, and playing either an arena or adventure battle consumes 1 point of energy. In Arena Mode, you will need to have energy in order to earn Smooth Love Potion rewards. In Adventure Mode, you can still earn SLP even without energy, but it is capped at 50 SLP per day. Because earning SLP in Arena Mode costs energy, one method to boost your daily SLP farming earnings is to raise your energy so you can fight more fights. The maximum number of energy points you can have and the time it takes to replenish them are determined by how many Axies you have. Here, take a look at this schedule. Many players invest in 20+ Axies simply to boost their energy capacity in order to maximize the amount of SLP gained in a day. How many SLP can you earn in a day? If you complete the daily quest, which stand for 25 SLP, and grind on Adventure Mode, which stand for 50 SLP, you will get a minimum of 75 SLP each day. The maximum number of Smooth Love Potions you may acquire every day in Arena is determined by a few factors: your arena position, your maximum amount of energy, your overall win rate and arena battle skills, the position of your opponent. Every player starts with 20 energy, allowing them to play 20 arena matches each day. This may be raised once more by having additional Axies in your inventory. Finally, how well you do in arena matches will affect your average daily SLP earnings. The more SLP you earn from winning arena matches, the greater your average win rate is. How can you increase the amount of SLP you can gain daily? Let's look at an example of how these 3 options we talked about work together to boost your SLP profits on a daily basis. you'll earn an average of 6 SLP for each victory if you play at 1100 to 1300 matchmaking rating. That's a possibility of 120 SLP each day at 20 energy. However, this implies that you win 100% of the games you play, which is unrealistic. With 20 energy and a more realistic win rate of 50%, you may earn up to 60 SLP in arena mode. However, if you raise your maximum energy to 60 by owning 20 or more Axies, you may earn 180 SLP in arena mode with a 50% victory rate. At 1300 to 1400 matchmaking rating, you may earn 270 SLP each day at a 50% win rate and 60 energy every day if you go up to the next ranking tier. At 9 SLP for each victory, 60% win rate, and 60 max energy, you can earn an average of 324 SLP per day if you concentrate on improving your game and increasing your win rate by 10%. To recapitulate, the method for calculating your daily average SLP earnings in arena mode is as follows: SLP obtained per victory depending on rating, times maximum daily energy, times average win rate. How can you claim your SLP? It's time to collect your well-earned Smooth Love potions after you've farmed enough of them. You may only claim your SLP once per 14 days at the moment. Simply go into your Axie dashboard and claim your SLP after making sure your Ronin wallet is connected. You should be able to see how many locked SLP are available for the claim, as well as when you'll be able to do so. So, that is all from today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, do like, subscribe, and enable all notifications so you won't miss our upcoming amazing videos. And please, share your thoughts in the comments section and provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, if you want to suggest us a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned.